Here is my dilemma. Just like many other people, I also have just a regular router. It's provided by the internet provider. Now my all four ports are used, but I need more because some of them are going to computer, some of them are going to my printer, my security system. I have a 1Edge phone system. I don't have any other ports. So here is the solution. So here is the solution for my dilemma. So I got this TP-Link 5-port Gigabit desktop switch. Now this is the model number. It's TL-SG150, though it says 5 ports. Most likely this is your LAN in, and these are your the upstream, and these are your downstream. 4 of them are downstream. Now it does say here like a 5 ports, 10, 100 and 1000 megabits per second. However, this is it depending on your internet provider. For example, I have a 50 megabits per second system here, so that means whatever that is coming into my house is 50 megabits. So though this unit can handle up to 1000, for example, what line is coming in is 50, so line going out from here to whatever the device, that's providing 1000 or 1 gigabit of data coming in per second. However, what is going back out is 50 because that's what's coming in for me. So that's the situation, though it says 1 gigabit, so it can handle up to 1 gigabit. However, everything depends on your upstream, which is coming in from your router. So if your internet provider is providing 50 megabits per second, that's what's the speed of the entire system. So let's open it and see what's in the box. So I got this one from Best Buy, and the reason that I decided to get this unit instead of D-Link, this was on sale, and also this is the business solution one. It has better customer service, better unit, better build unit, and the other one was $5 or $6, about $5 or $7 or less than $10 cheaper. So I decided to get this one. So here's the installation guide. What's in there? So self-explanatory, so it's really easy. So for the port 1, that is what is coming from your router. Oh, let's go to the English section. That's going to be better. Here we go. Desktop. Okay, so anyway, it's the same thing. That's your power cord, power in. So this is your input or your upstream, and these are your downstream. So according to this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an 8 port. It's the same thing go for the 5 port again. First port is for your LAN in. All right. It's the same thing. The installation guide. Here we go. It's a little bit bigger. That's that. Here is the unit and your power adapter, and these are your, you can stick these things in. So I believe this must be, no, cannot read this one. These are your, well, feet, or just to make sure that it doesn't move. So let's take a look at the unit. Okay, by looking at it, this port, so in this one the port number 5 looks little different, but my eyes could be playing tricks. Some light to, I could be wrong, but it looks a little different. But let me take a look at this one. So according to the installation guide. Number 1 port is where you put your LAN in. Well, it could be all of them, it could be the same. So LAN in coming in, and then the 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all. If this is upstream, this is your downstream. Okay, so this is your power cord for North America. So that's the North American one. So let's plug this puppy in. That's it. You know, pretty much you just plug and play this one. And oh, there is the power cable. Power in. That's in. Okay, power up. Now I am going to get one of this is my port that's coming in from my router. So that's going in. So it got green. As you can see, it's power on. Now I'm going to plug in. So this is I'm sending this to my printer. So I have an old printer, not a wireless one. So now that's connected. So however, it's not blinking because the printer is not powered up. So let me turn that on. So it will start. So I'm using a GoPro, and when I said it's not turned on, and the GoPro decided to turn off because it is voice activated. So this is going to my printer. So again, like I said earlier, so this is from this blue cable, that's the downstream. This is providing at the moment 1 gigabit of data per second coming in. However, this is what's coming in from my router. That's providing only 50 MB per second. So don't get confused when you get 1 gigabit. It's not, the entire system is not 1 gigabit, but it's whatever that your internet provider is providing. That's your ultimate speed. I like the unit. It's very well built. Looks solid, and I like the fact that this is plug and play. And I got now extra 4 more ports. I can put my entertainment system on this one, so I can watch Netflix on my entertainment system, on the theater system, and I got 2 more ports remaining for whatever that I want to do. Hope you like the instructions. So here's the bottom of it. So if you like, you can put, let me take some of these things out. There we go. You peel it off, and you are going to put it, there are 4 spots, and you're going to put them. I'm not going to use them because I'm going to attach that this unit to the wall. So there are holes to put attach this to the wall with some screws. That was not provided, so I will go ahead and get those things, and I'm going to attach this separately, so I don't have to worry about these little ones. I'm going to use it for something else.